Hello everyone, this is Nilesh and in this video we will talk about the impact of global warming on coral life system. Global warming is the long-term rise of the planet's overall temperature. This rise of temperature is the greatest global threat to the coral reef ecosystem. Scientific evidences indicate that the temperature of the earth and oceans are rising, and these changes are primarily due to greenhouse gases derived from human activity. The impact of global warming on coral reef are as follows. As temperature rise, mass coral reef bleaching occurs and infectious diseases becomes more frequent. Ocean acidification increase, that is carbon dioxide get absorbed in the ocean from the atmosphere, which reduces the calcification of rebuilding and reef associated organisms, which occurs due to the altering the chemistry of the seawater through decrease in pH. Global warming leads to destruction of the coral reef system due to the frequent occurrence of tropical storms. Global warming leads to sea level rise, which resulted in the increase in sedimentation for reef. This sedimentation can lead to choking of corals. Further, sea level rise increase the optimum depth of the continental shelf, which are required for the growth and sustenance of the coral reefs, which hampers their growth. Global warming leads to alter the ocean circulation, which leads to the changes in connectivity and temperature regimes, which resulted in lack of food for the corals that hampers the dispersal of coral larvae. Many reefs such as Great Barrier Reef is under threat due to the global warming, according to the Australian government Great Barrier Reef Marine Park Authority. Other coral reefs such as Amazon Reef, Miami Terrace Reef are also under threat due to the environmental pressure and rising global temperature. The alarming situation which arose due to the impact of global warming on coral reefs necessitates immediate actions. The need of the hour is to shrink the carbon footprint which occurs due to the emission of greenhouse gases, so as to facilitate the action plan to improve the condition of the coral reef system. So in this way we have discussed the impact of global warming on coral life system. Hope you guys enjoy the video. We will meet in next video. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring. Thank you.